Hello and welcome. This is a drink called How I Make Carbonated Gatorade Orange Blackberry Hibiscus. First thing you gotta do is open up the container and you pour in 2 tablespoons of the Gatorade Zero Sugar Mix. Not the Gatorade Zero Sugar Mix, but the Gatorade Orange Mix. And then you pour in the water. And, last but not least, you fill in the rest of the leftover Blackberry Hibiscus sparkling water into this glass. Try it. Nice. And then you fill in a little bit more of the water from the kettle. And there you go. Here is your Carbonated Gatorade Orange Blackberry Hibiscus. Enjoy, folks. Thank you for watching. Peace. Make sure to subscribe. Like the video if you like it. And click the notifications for upcoming videos that are coming very soon and to see more of my future content. Thank you.